In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock Steam Community Marketplace. If your account can't buy or sell on the market yet, it usually comes down to two things: Steam Guard security and a small spending requirement. I'll walk you through both and show you how to make sure everything is set up correctly. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer. Along the top, click Community, then Market. This page is useful because it will show you any remaining restrictions on your account. If you see messages about security or eligibility, don't worry, we're going to fix those. First, make sure Steam Guard is enabled. Go to your account details in Steam and look for Steam Guard settings. You can use email codes or the mobile authenticator, either is fine for market eligibility. Once Steam Guard is turned on, it needs to be active for at least 15 days before trading and market access unlock. If you just enabled it, that timer starts now, and there's no way to skip the waiting period. Keep Steam Guard on continuously during this time so the countdown doesn't reset. Next, satisfy the purchase requirement. Steam expects a minimum spend of about $5 in your local currency. You can meet this by adding funds to your Steam wallet or by purchasing a game or an item. The key is that the transaction completes successfully on your account. If you add wallet funds, make sure they show up in your balance. If you buy a game, confirm it's in your library. Refunds or cancelled transactions won't count toward the requirement. Once both conditions are met, Steam Guard has been active for 15 days and you've spent the minimum, access typically unlocks automatically. When you return to the community market, you should be able to see active buy and sell buttons without restriction notices. If you've completed the steps and waited the full period but still can't access the market, try a quick refresh of the Steam client. In Steam, open Settings, go to Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will restart and you'll sign in again. This doesn't remove your games, it simply clears old data that can cause lingering access issues and helps the client recheck your eligibility. Thanks for watching.